Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add shadow in Photoshop. Drop shadow. So double click on the layer that you want to add shadow for. I'm gonna do for this one, and you should click on drop shadow. Boom. Look what happened. Shadow is added. So you can, of course, change in the properties of this shadow, like the angle that's hitting the particular object. Okay, you can use any of that, and you can also mess with the distance from the object and the shadow. For example, if you want it to be like far, to show there's a distance between the object and the shadow, you can do that. Mess around. You can increase the spread to make the shadow look bolder. For example, the size of the shadow. Look what's happening. The size for this shadow. And you can also change the opacity of this shadow. Like, this is a good one. Also, you can change its color. For example, a red shadow, which will seem like it's a glow. It's now a glow, not a shadow. If you want to use any of this. So, guys, that's how you add shadow in Photoshop. Check another tutorials. I do loads and loads of tutorials based on Photoshop, DaVinci Resolve, and Canva mainly, and how to master your videography and editing. So check my channel out. Hope you enjoy, and see you next time. You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.